All right, so follow-up video, horn video. Yeah, like a million of you guys told me, terrible video. I'm not good at this. I don't know how to do YouTube. But anyway, here we go. I remember how this works again. These have to come out. You got 1, 2, 3, and then I guess these 2 here will come out. I believe those are 10 millimeter. So let me get my pry tools and my little socket set and get those out, and then we'll go to the next little bit. All right, got my little stubby ratchet, 10 millimeter. I showed you where they were a second ago. Oh, it's tight. I remember them putting them on. Just that up, and here's the other. And just so you are clear of where we are, there we go. I really do like this little stubby ratchet. It's very handy. Takes up very little space, and for this kind of job, it really works well. There. Okay, that bolt out, and this bolt out, and this is going to cover the radiator shroud. That's what we're taking out. Real quick, this little prize set came off of Amazon. It was like $6 or $7 shipped, pretty cheap. Lots of people make them different colors. I got an orange set that's very similar. I will say this blue set is a bit more stiff than the orange set that I have, but I'm going to use these to try to get these little things out. They're kind of a pain in the butt, if I remember correctly. They kind of pop out, but you gotta wedge them out, so let's do that. Well, I said they were a pain in the butt, and they're kind of, you gotta kind of get in there and pop that little center out, but once you do, it's pretty straightforward. This part here sucked last time, big time. I remember this, and yeah, so, oh, I missed one. Oh, there's one there. Dang it. Let me pop the little guy out, and then I'll pop this thing up. Come on. There we go. Yeah, this little pry set's a little bit better than the last one I got. It's more stiff. It's not flexing as much as the orange set that I have. Let me zoom out so you can see what the hell I'm doing. Now I gotta remember how I wiggled this out to remove. Remember, I thought I was gonna break it, and hell, I still might break it, who knows. Okay, that's that. Oh, come on. Come on, okay. All right. I'm just doing a lot of wiggling and pulling, and you know, the thing is, they make these cars still. These parts are still available, so should you break that, well, hell, go buy another one. All right, where I screwed up last time is I didn't show you all of this. So here's one here's one horn, there's the other one, and there's actually a bracket. That one says 31 and that one says 31, and they go right there. So when you're looking at the engine bay, this bracket here, this bracket here, they have the horns. I keep wanting to say fan. They have the horns connected to them. It is a 10 millimeter that I use to get that little guy off on the back, on both of them, and that's what I use to mount those horns. Now today I took that off because A, I'm bad at the YouTubes, and you guys tell me continually I'm bad at the YouTubes with this video, so I apologize. But with this off, I am going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time and just didn't get around to it. And it's actually one of the first things I bought for this vehicle when I got it. Let me go grab that out of the garage. All right, one of the cheapest things I've done for my car so far, which I haven't done much, if we don't count free stuff, is this. The little grille badge, the old Toyota colors. I'm a Toyota guy. I thought this was really cool. Sorry, my buddy's got his four-wheeler out. His little kid's four-wheeler. But I had got this when I first got the car, and then just never did it because I didn't like messing with that panel we just took off. But hell, it's off now, so let me put this on right quick. Oh, before I get started, there's the front. It's got 2 threaded posts A little bit loose, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It was like $2 or $3, so if something happens, whatever. It's got this little backing plate. It's got 2 washers, 2 nuts. This goes in the front, that goes behind a wedge, that secures it all. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's do this mess. All right, there you go. I took the radiator panel cover off. Again, it was 4 of those little pull-up things, 2 10mm bolts, and then a lot of elbow grease to work that thing out. I showed you where the brackets were for the horn. I then installed that thing, and it's all right. That was 8mm, by the way, to put those on. Yeah, and then put it all back together. And that panel sucks. But there you go. I've shown you where it is, told you sizes, and I hope that I've made up for being terrible. Y'all take care.